What's going on, YouTubers? We're back again. It's Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena.
And today we're going to talk about how to be your own boss.
So maybe you're tired of your job, you hate your boss, and you want to be your own entrepreneur and get some freedom and quit that job. Well, we're going to teach you how to do it.
So make sure you watch the entire video, because all throughout the video we're going to give you tips on how to be your own boss.
So hit that like and subscribe button down below and follow along. Now, JoJo went to the bathroom real quick, and the first thing you want to do is figure out what you want to do and set some goals. So maybe you want to be a painter or be a trash man like myself. Figure out what you want to do and then set some goals. I used to work at this place right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's called Safeway. I hated that job. The people there hated me. I was a good worker, but I knew I didn't want to be there forever. So when I was working there, I would post ads on Facebook, on Craigslist of our trash service. And when people would call me throughout the day when I was working there, I would walk to the bathroom, answer the phone, walk outside, answer the phone, and line that job up. I did whatever I could do to line the job up. I would stop what I was doing immediately and pick up that phone. And they hated me, but you know what? I knew I wasn't gonna be there forever, so that's the first thing you wanna do is figure out what you wanna do, set some goals, and answer your phone. And I worked there for the 4 seasons because I wanted to see how the weather would do with my business. So that's something you guys definitely want to do is don't just quit your job and rush it. Make sure you work the 4 seasons, the rainy season, summertime, springtime, fall, and then you'll know exactly how business is for you. And then you can quit your job once you got a safety net of a lot of cash put away. So that's what I did. I worked there for a whole year through the 4 seasons, answer my phone all the time, line jobs up, and now I make more cash than my old boss. Believe that. Imagine that. Believe that. Now we are heading to the first job of the day, and it's for a customer that's from out of town. And what do we do, JoJo?
Well, we own a junk removal business. And if you're new to our channel, you might not have known that. But we've only had this business 2.5 years, and we already make over $250,000 a year.
$250,000 a year. Imagine that. So we're heading to the first job, and we're going to show you what we do, guys. So stay tuned.
So if you're liking these videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So we are at our first job of the day. And one of the best things about working for yourself is when your phone rings, it's ringing for you. And when you're done with the job and that client pays you, they're paying you. They're not paying your boss because you're your own boss. You might think about starting a business with a spouse, working together as a team side by side, building something you can both be proud of.
So this is what we do. People want to sell their houses, and we come through and clean them up. And we just walk around the property. She wants one full load done. And there's a bunch of loads here, actually. They even want this sauna gone. Look at this. You find cool stuff too. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff on this property. It's what, 42 acres? You know what I think when I say 42 acres, right? Hunting property, baby. I'm gonna ask the lady for sure. So yeah, that's what we do. We clean up people's properties and get paid. Now, the best part about owning your own business is you never know what's going to happen. We just landed a $15,000 to $20,000 job. And how much trash is there?
There is so much trash. It's very unexpected. We went and cleaned up this one house before it went on the market, and it ended up having 45 acres and trash everywhere.
There's 4 houses here, and we're going to show you guys a little clip of what we'll be getting into later on this month. So yeah, you never know what's going to happen.
No, you never know, because we showed up there doing one full load, and it ended up being a future the loads are unlimited there.
So we're about to get paid. So yeah, you never know what's going to happen whenever you guys show up to jobs. And if I was working a 9 to 5, there ain't no way in hell I'd catch a break like this and make some great money. So yeah, Now, if you guys can see, there's a whole lot of trash here, and this is only part of the property. There's 3 houses full of trash, and there's a bunch of metal, and we're charging extra money for anything with Freon and all the mattresses. So we're making good money on this one. We're doing it per load. This is the definition of hauling and balling and being your own boss. You get to pocket all that cash. So I don't want to bore you guys too much. This is just a short clip to show you part of the job. So we're heading to the dumps right now. What's your prediction of the dump fee?
The prediction of the dump fee is going to be $120.
$120? I'm gonna say $160 because there's a lot of mattresses back there.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for the prediction, and I'm excited now.
I'm so excited. Big jobs are a lot of work, but big jobs mean big money.
Big money. We can finish that job probably in about, I would say, 4 to 5 days.
Yeah.
If we bust our ass. So yeah. So look at that. It was $159. How's that feel?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm a loser.
You're a loser,
I'm a
baby. So we're back here at the landfill. Now let's talk trash in the dump line with Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena. And what are we talking about first?
Well, we're talking about how great it is to be your own boss.
Your own boss. Imagine that.
Start your own business.
So the first thing you want to do is figure out a name, what you want to call yourself. Something that sticks out like a sore thumb, something that when people drive by, they see it and remember it. And have a good brand, a good logo. Like, check us out. We're like Wonder Bread, UPS, FedEx. It's like, it just looks legit, and you see it, you notice it's Sonoma Strong Hauling. It's easy to remember, and it sticks out like a sore thumb.
It does. And in our area, Sonoma Strong is a saying that is very, very popular. So people remember us.
So pick and choose and really think about it before you just go with something. Put some thought into it and ask people. Have like a list of different names that you guys are picking from, and ask people which name sounds best to you. And at least ask 20 people and see which name they pick.
Another thing that's really important is to research your area. The thing that you love and the thing that you're passionate about, the job that you're wanting to start, make sure there's a need for it in your area. So do some research.
Definitely do some research.
Another thing you need to do, and this is one of the most important things to do, is put yourself out there on social media. Start marketing yourself. We're talking about have a Google My Business page, a Yelp page, an Instagram page, a Facebook business page. Create all of these things before you even start your business. It'll just get you out there.
That's a great idea. Market, market, market. You gotta market. And another thing you must do is make sure you're legal and legit.
Absolutely. And some people get scared away at this, but it is not that difficult to do. So you go to your city hall and see what you need to start your business. And oftentimes it's just a business license, and that's like $25 to $40. It's not very expensive. You find out what you need in your area. So go to your city hall and find out what you need. And then when you come up with your name, make sure it's a name you can use. So you go to your newspaper and say you want to run a fictitious business name, and that's super easy to do also, and that will run for a couple of weeks. And then you'll know that that name is yours and it's yours to have, and you can use it. So easy steps to take to become your very own boss.
Now leave a comment down below what kind of business you want to start or you're starting right now.
Yeah, it could be anything, not just junk removal, but if you follow these steps, you could be successful in any business.
Now who's the cover winner of the week?
Hippo Hauling out of Indiana.
And he got a badass dump trailer. It's like a 30-yarder. I'm going to leave a picture of it right here. Check that bad boy out. That is a beast. I am jealous.
So we're headed to the next job, and this person found us by word of mouth. And you'll notice that when you start your own business, if you do a good service, people are going to tell other people how great you are.
Wait until you guys see this dirty, filthy garage we gotta clean up. Oh my God. Voila. Oh yeah, you know what that means. Money, 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 money. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
So it's another load. Cha-ching.
Cha-ching, cha-ching. And I know what you're thinking. Did you give them a discount because they're a Raider fan? No, we did not. Even though I love the Raiders, we treat every customer the same. Believe that.
I found our dog. You never know what you're gonna find in junk removal. Look at this.
That's super cool.
And this is what happens when you own your own business. Your client pays you, not your boss who's gonna pay you a measly hour rate. You get to keep it all when you work for yourself.
So we're heading to the landfill. And what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo?
$80.
I'm gonna say 115. Let's see what happens. So look who won. Wow. 1,000 pounds. The JoJo won finally. It's been about 4 weeks since she's beat me. And look at my shorts. Real men wear shorts, guys. So we're back here at the landfill, baby, just getting paid. Hey, do you mind if I take a break? Just a quick 5-10 minute break. Hell no, I ain't gotta ask no one. I'm my own boss. That's the best part about owning your own business. You ain't gotta ask no one. Ain't that right, JoJo? It's coffee time, baby.
Coffee time.
Let's do it.
Coffee break.
We'll be back in about 35 to 45, maybe even an hour. Whatever you want to do, babe.
Whatever we feel like.
Yeah, we're on our own time. Don't need to ask no one nothing. That's the best part about owning your own business is you get that freedom, baby. Freedom. Now, this ain't a paid review, but that pumpkin spice drink from Starbucks is off the damn hook. Oh my gosh. I love it almost as much as I love the JoJo. Almost. Not quite, though. Now we're heading to the next job of the day, and it's in Petaluma, California, and they found us off of Yelp. So it's an easy pickup. It's a camper show. So fast, easy cash, baby. Just what I like. So here's the next job of the day. It's this camper show right here needs to go. Fast 5-minute job real quick. We just gotta walk it out to over there. Now we're pulling up to the next job, and the way this person found us was off our wraps on our vehicles. So owning your own business, there's a lot of perks. You get to write off a lot of stuff, like your uniforms you buy, vehicles you buy, the wraps on your vehicles. You get to write all that stuff off. So yeah.
Yeah, you definitely have a ton of tax breaks when you own your own business.
So we're here at the next job. We're about to get it done, guys. So stay tuned. So here's the next job, and all this stuff needs to go. All this stuff needs to go. And look at him. He's a handsome little dude. What up, buddy? So yeah, here's the job. So job is complete, and what's your prediction, JoJo?
78.
78? Damn, you're good. I'm gonna say $103. Let's see what happens. So look who won. It was 1,500 pounds, baby. 109. Yeah. So we're done for the day. We made some killer cash, and I love being my own boss.
Being your own boss lets you be so flexible in life.
It's like life-changing, no doubt about it. Before I only had one vehicle. I was living paycheck to paycheck, and now I got multiple vehicles I paid cash for. And I'm not saying this to brag, I'm just telling you this to motivate you. We got pickup trucks cash, we got this dump truck, we got boats, and we couldn't do it working that 9-to-5 job for someone else. So keep that in mind.
When you're your own boss, you have complete control of your life, and you can schedule jobs when you want. You can schedule time off when you want. You can take breaks when you want. And when you're done, you can stop and have dinner like we're getting ready to do.
We're about to go eat some steak right now, and we're not eating top ramen no more. So yeah, hit that like and subscribe button down below if you guys like these videos.
Yes.
And keep hauling and balling.
And leave a comment down below and let us know, what is your favorite perk about having your own business?
Mine's the freedom. And doing whatever I want to do. Going fishing and hunting and hanging out with the JoJo.